What's up, guys? So I have a little quick one for you. I have been searching around for an awning for a while now, and I had my eye on this company called Taruca, and their awning comes out from the side of the 4Runner and it wraps actually all the way around. So I think it's like at 270 degrees, something like that. But anyway, this thing's super cool. They've tested it in high winds and it just looked like something that I wanted to do. So I think I'm gonna be switching over some overland stuff. I think I'm done with the rock crawling. I'm just gonna overland the thing now. I'll be a overland rig on 37s. We'll get the rooftop tent. We'll get it all going. And yeah, anyway, guys, so check this out. It's just gonna be a quick little install. I was a little confused when I first got it and how the brackets worked and the hardware with my specific rack, because I know everybody's running a different rack. They give you some pretty much base hardware. So it's something you have to look up through them in order to find what kind of hardware you're gonna need for your specific roof rack. But it's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. So for those people that, you know, just wanna look up a YouTube video and go, hey, how do I do it? This video is for you. So stick around, I'm gonna show you how to do the brackets and get this thing set up. Here it is. It is obviously all wrapped up, but super nice material, great quality. Here are the brackets that they give you, some of the hardware. And then I got a bunch of stuff in this bag here, and I'll go through that here in a little bit. But right now I'm just gonna focus on getting this thing mounted onto the 5th gen. Say hi to the 1st gen, everyone. What up, what up? And let's get out there and get this thing mounted. Hang up on the roof here. Once you kind of get it figured out, you just put the brackets up, and what they're gonna do is lean off the side here, and you can actually adjust it to make it come in and out. And then these are the point to have it. Hold on, I just have 2 bolts here holding this side. I put a bunch of washers under here just because the way my roof rack is, it's got this lip coming right here, so it's not sitting completely flush. I don't know if it's gonna be like that with every other roof rack. So I just got a bunch of washers, made it nice and level. I'm gonna tighten that down and then basically just put on the awning. So, and it's all nice and sturdy too. Here we go. And I got one side bolted down. I highly recommend you put the brackets on here first and then mount it down to the rooftop, preferably with 2 people, because with 1 person, this was a pain in the ass. But it's pretty simple once you get these brackets mounted to the roof, because then you just slide these, and you just go ahead and slide these right through these holes, line them up to where the bracket is gonna be. And what I'm doing is I'm kind of pulling this back and then fitting them in here, getting the nut in, and then bolting it down. Hi. Built-in lights going wrapping around the whole truck. This is legit. Camping to a whole new level. Shout out to Taruca. They really outdid themselves on this one. All right, so starting out here, we have built-in lights. We have a white We have a soft white. Same thing, soft white, white. It wraps all the way around. And what you do is you grab these and just hook them up, and you literally just walk this thing around, connect it to the other side of the rack. It's nice and tight, freestanding. I guess apparently in extreme conditions, you have the option of putting down these legs, which go right into the floor to just give it extra support. But from what I was hearing is you don't really need to even do that most of the time. Super, super cool. Now that I just did that once, I went ahead and came to an empty parking lot over here just to kind of show you how fast this Taruca awning actually goes up, because even my first time doing it, it didn't really take that long at all. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be keeping my harnesses that hold the tent or the awning up here in the back, just with all my other stuff. So I'm gonna start off, I'm just gonna put one back over here because I know I'm gonna need it back here. And I'm gonna put one over here in the front because I know exactly where everything is when I'm ready. And what we do here, find the zippers. Unzip, pull it back. Mind you, I'm doing this all with one hand, by the way, because I didn't bring my camera thing to hold it. Anyway, here we go. So undo, undo, undo. So the canvas falls out just like this. And let's see. I kind of stuffed it up a little weird, but here we go. So I'm just gonna grab the the hook right here. I'll hook it up. Just gonna stretch it along. All right, so there's the first one tied up. And looks like I put my hook on the wrong side. Again, this is my first real time doing this. So, second time, but you know, here we go. And I'm gonna bring it back. I forgot to put down my hatch. It would be pretty cool if it could go over the hatch, but whatever. It's still pretty cool. Hatch can kind of go up halfway. Right. And stretch this back, and I'm just gonna hook it right into the RCI roof rack, and bam, it's done. And I really just can't. This is the coolest thing. I've never really been into the whole overlanding stuff. You guys have seen my videos. Most of the time I just do trails, and that's kind of what I built the rig around. It wasn't really camping, but it is something I would like to start doing more. Now that I've beat the hell out of my rig over the past like 5-6 years, you know, I think about kind of mellowing things out. Now that I'm fully built, I know what I can accomplish, what I can do. I'm still going to do some tough trails, but in the meantime, I think we're going to kind of take a little break and do some cool overlanding stuff and enjoy this truck for as long as I possibly can, and enjoy these mods. Taruca really outdid themselves. This is the coolest thing. These built-in lights up here are just absolutely legit. I can't wait to actually get this thing out in the wild and camp and use it. Up next, I do have the rooftop tent coming, but I'm currently waiting for it in the mail. It should be here any minute, really, but it's taking forever, of course. But yeah, super fucking cool. Shout out to Taruca. I hope the install video was helpful. like I said, when I first opened this thing, I was a little confused what to do, how to do it, and I couldn't really find anything on YouTube that had anything to do with this awning. So hopefully when you guys be able to search it, this will be the first thing that pops up. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please check out my TikTok, my Instagram, obviously, and stay tuned for the next one, guys, because what's next is the rooftop tent. Super excited to kind of do a walkthrough on that, and I'll do a little install video on that situation as well. So until next time, peace.